Hey guys, it's Mrs. Hedrick here. I'm down here. Actually, I'm behind the camera. This is for Math 7. Today's date is 4/16. And you and I are going to be working on the guided and independent practice in your book. So you're going to need your instruction book. I'm starting on page 179. You're going to need a ruler. I have a ruler, a calculator. I have my pencil. We're going to go through these together, okay? To save a little time, I'm going to skip the example. Oh, my light is in the way. Scooch that over. Okay, and we're going to start on number 16. So I'm on page 178, number 16. I'm going to read through it and explain it. And then when you're ready to work on it, I want you to pause it, and I want you to go work on it. If you're really stuck, just solve it with me, okay? All right, here we go. Oh, you know what else? I also have my notes nearby. So you might want to keep your notes nearby too. All right, my friends, let's start here with number 16. Find the value of x in the diagram below. Okay, there is a whole lot going on, all right? But let's focus on the things that we talked about. So in our notes, I'm going to go back to our notes really quick. We talked about complementary angles add up to 90. Supplementary angles add up to 180. And we talked about vertical angles or opposite angles, right? And that they have the same measure. Okay. So now that I've thought about it, what do you see here? Do you see complementary, supplementary, or do you see some vertical angles? What do we see? Okay, well, here's what I noticed. This makes a straight line. So if I add this, plus this, plus this, right? If I should make my arc smaller. If I add this little angle, plus this angle, plus this angle, they should equal 180. And that's what we're going to do. So off in the white space, let's see if I can do this. I'm going to do 4x minus 8 plus 34 plus, what's this, 76 minus x. This is a supplementary angle. 180. It's a straight line. Okay, you know what to do, right? We're going to combine like terms. We have numbers and x's. So I'm going to grab a color here. Let's see, what do I have? I got purple and I don't know if you can see my blue. All right, I'm going to, you know me, I love my purple pens. I'm going to circle the exponents in purple. So I've got a 4x. Remember to take the sign in front of it and a negative x. I have a lot of numbers. I'm going to box my numbers. I have a negative 8, a positive 34, and a positive 76. Okay, so here's where the calculator comes in handy. Let's do the x's first. I'll put my pen down. All right, what's 4x plus minus x? That's a total of 3 x's. All right, here's my calculator. I'm going to turn it on. All right, I'm going to add what I have in the boxes. I have negative 8 plus 34. Plus 76. That is 102. Oops, plus 102. Can you read that? Yeah. Equals 180. Okay. Now, this is algebra, right? I could draw my line. I'm going to subtract 102 from both sides. Minus 102, minus 102. These cancel out. 3x equals 180 minus 102. 78. Almost done. I want the x by itself. Divide by 3, divide by 3. I'm going to write it down here. X equals whatever 78 divided by 3 is. 78 divided by 3. 26 degrees. So x equals 26 degrees. That was a lot of work, but it wasn't really crazy hard. I knew that this was a straight line, 180. So I just added them up, set them equal to 180, combined like terms, and just went through the algebra steps, okay? So x equals 26. All right, my friends, let's turn the page. Okay. Number 17. In the diagram below, line segment OA, right here, OA, this means perpendicular. Doesn't it look perpendicular? Yeah. Excuse me, that's a ray, isn't it? Yeah. Ray OA is perpendicular to ray OC. OA to OC. All right, so this is 90 degrees. Okay. Find the value of x. All right. Okay, so let's see what we know. Are there things that equal 90? Well, I see a 90 here. I know this. I don't know this. So that's not going to do me any good. X plus something that I don't know, so I can't do that one. Okay. Can I find a 180? Well, actually, you know what, guys? Could I figure this out? If the total is 90 and I take away x, what would that be? Well, I don't know what x is. If x was 10, 90 minus 10, this would be 80. And if x was 20, 90 minus 20, this would be 70. So could I do this? So this is x, and this is 90 minus x. And if I combine them, 90 minus x plus x would just be 90. Okay, so far so good. Now, here's my question. All right, so I'm going to erase my right angle. How good a color. Look at this. What if I added these two together? That's a straight line. So I'm going to do 4x plus 90 minus x is a straight line, 180. Okay, there it is. 4x plus 90 minus x is 180. That one was tricky, so if you didn't see that, that's okay. That was hard. All right, let's come through and combine like terms. So I'm going to circle my variables. Remember to take the sign in front of it. And I only have 190, so I'm not going to box it. Okay. What's 4x minus x? Plus 90 equals 180. Okay, here's my algebra. All right, minus 9 on both sides. Right, these cancel out. 180 minus 9. Oh, I could do that, but I have a calculator. I'll do that. 171. 3x equals 171. 5 by 3. These cancel out. X equals 57 degrees. That's it. Don't forget your degree symbol. Okay, not too bad. Looks like a 1 here. 57. Okay. All right, something's not right. What did I do wrong, guys? Let's take a look. 4x plus 90 minus x equals 180. 4x minus x. 3x plus 90. Oh, guys, look at what I did. I was in a hurry. I have 3x plus 9. No, 3x plus 90. Oh, for crying out loud. I was going to say, something's not right. Oh, see, look, I made a mistake too. Be careful. Okay. How about I do 180 minus 90? Let's try that again. All right, sorry about that, guys. No, there you go. We all make mistakes. Hey, that's why I used a pencil. Ha, ha, ha. See, I didn't bring my 0 down. Oh, for crying out loud. Okay. 3x equals 90. 3 divided by 3 is 1x. 90 divided by 3 is 30. For crying out loud. There we go. 30 degrees. I thought that was a little too big to be 57. Sorry, my friends. Okay. Try our next one. I'll try not to make a mistake this time. Okay. Number 18. In the diagram below, line DE is perpendicular to ray HK. Ray HK. So this is 90 degrees. They're telling me that. Okay. What else do I know? Find the value of x. So I'm solving for x. Circle the letter of the correct answer. Okay. So, okay, what do we know here? I see a 90. I see this. Did you catch this? This plus this plus this. These three make a straight line. I think that's what I'm going to use. This plus 90 plus this equal 180. So let's try that. 2x minus 6 plus 90, right? They told me that was 90 degrees. Plus 60 minus x is 180 degrees. Okay, combine like terms. I have a 2x and a minus x. I have a negative 6 plus 90 plus 60. Okay, let's combine like terms. What's 2x minus x? That's just an x. All right, now put this in my calculator. I've got negative 6 plus 90 plus 60. So this is 144. Okay, now I've got algebra. So let's subtract 144 from both sides. These cancel out. Oh, that was fast. 180 minus 144. Make sure I type it in correct. I have 36 degrees. Is that an answer choice? Oh, ding, 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 ding. Okay. Jeb chose D. I don't know. What did Jeb do? Jeb got the wrong answer. That's what. Jeb didn't follow his, solve his algebra correctly. My book says Jeb thought that angle GHE, he thought that, and angle AKH, no, I'm not saying that right. Angle AHK were vertical. Oh yeah, no, Nope. Okay, excellent. All right, let's take a look at the independent practice. We got this. Okay, 4 problems. We can do it. They take up a lot of space. Okay, number 1. Find the measure of angle AOE, the blue one. I'm looking for this blue one. Okay. Oh, look at this, guys. This is perfect. Do you see this? Look, this and this and this. Straight line right here. Straight line, 180 degrees. All right, let's solve it. 3x minus 28 plus 90 plus 66 minus x equals 180 degrees. Look, right here. They all 3 line up. 1, 2, 3. Add them together, 188. Okay. Combine like terms. So I'm going to circle all of my variables. I'm going to box all of my numbers. Keep the sign in front of it, right? Okay. Let's do the x's first. Combine them. 3x plus negative x. Okay, and then on my calculator, I'm going to type in negative 28 plus 90 plus 66. And I get a positive 128. Okay. Oh, my line's going to be crooked there. Okay. Let's subtract 128 from both sides. You always start with the number that doesn't have a variable attached. So I'm left with 2x is, let's see, what is 180 minus 128? I got 52. Almost done. I need to get rid of the 2, so I'm going to divide both sides by 2. Because I'm multiplying, I do the opposite. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 1x is equal to 52 divided by 2, 26. All right, is that, oh, that's x. Okay, well, we're not quite done yet. All right, so I have to figure out what this is. Okay, so let's go back and see what I know. Actually, I can figure out all of these angles, can't I? What's 66 minus 26? That's 40, isn't it? 66 minus 20. So this angle is 40 degrees. This angle is 90 degrees. Oh, I'm going to use my calculator for this one. 3 times 26. 3 times 26 minus 28. I'm just plugging in x right here. So this is 50 degrees. Well, let's check. Is this 180? 90 plus 90, 180? Yeah, okay. So, oh, look, I can go this way. If this is 50 and this makes 180, these two. So what's 180 minus 50? We know this is obtuse, right? This is a large angle. So this is 130 degrees, right? Because 50 plus 130, this makes a straight line. Ding, ding, ding. Okay. That was a little tricky. We did it. We got it. Okay. This is the craziest picture. These questions are actually very simple, but this picture is crazy. All right, in the diagram below, line AC intersects. Remember we talked about intersects just means it has to touch. It intersects triangle BDE at point B. Choose true or false for each statement. Okay. Angle ABE, this angle, 65, and angle CBE, notice how I go slow, CBD, these two, 65 and 25. They're complementary. Well, go to your notes. Complementary means they equal how much? 90. Is 65 plus 25 90? Yes, it is. Okay, let's try this one. 65 degrees plus B plus 25 degrees is 180. Okay, right here. Oh, look at this. This is good. 65 plus B plus 25. Do those make a straight line? They sure do. See, the questions aren't hard. The picture's goofy, but... Okay, one more. Angle ABE. Let me erase my marks. Okay, try it again. Angle ABE, this angle, 65. And angle CBD, oh, back here again, 25, are vertical angles. All right, vertical means opposite. And they also have the same measure. So are these really opposite of each other? Are they drawn by two lines? Well, here's one line. But if I extend, these are different lines. And do they have the same measure? No, that's false. Okay, last two, we got this. Okay, number 3, another crazy picture. 4 lines, lines K, L, M, and N. So here's K, whoops, here's L, here's M, and here's N. It's a crazy picture. They all intersect and are shown in the diagram. So they all crisscross. Lines K and N are perpendicular. So it's hard to see. Here's K, and this is line N. They put a 90-degree angle in there for me. Okay. They want us to find X. All right, so we got this. So I'm looking for things that equal 90, or I'm looking for things that equal 180. What do you guys think? What could I do? Oh, I see something here. Look, look. Here's an X. This is a 90. And this is a 55. I'm just missing this little piece right here. I wonder what this is. That little tiny wedge. Because I can add these together, right? X plus 90 plus 55 plus this. Okay, let me erase this so I can see. I'm marked on my X. Okay, I want to know what this skinny angle is. Any ideas? Hey, did you notice something? Look. Those are opposite of each other. Do you see it? This vertical angle right here. These two are made from the same lines that intersect. Do we know they're equal, right? So this is the same as this. So up here I can put that this is 2x minus 49 right in here. All right, so I'm going to add these together, guys. I'm going to add all 4 of those and make them equal to 180. I don't have a lot of space. Let me see if I can squeeze this in. So we've got 55 right here plus this little guy, 2x minus 49 plus 90, plus this last guy, x. That's all he is. All right, that equals 180 degrees. Okay, let's combine like terms. Can you see that? Okay, I have, I'll circle my numbers this time. I have a 55. I got a minus 49. I have a plus 90. You know, it doesn't matter which ones get boxes and which ones get squares. Doesn't matter. A plus 2x and a plus x. Okay, my friends, let's add the x's. What's 2x plus x? 3x. All right, on my calculator, I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to clear it off. I'm going to put in 55 minus, look at that. It's minus 40, or you can put plus negative 49, however you want to do it. I'm going to put plus negative 49 plus 90. And that gives me 96. Okay, let me double check that one more time, make sure I got that in there right. Okay, I'm happy with it. All right, algebra. Minus 96 from both sides. (180) minus 96. 84 divided by 3. 28. Is 28 an answer choice? There it is. Ding, 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 ding. We did it. Okay. Oh, now this is in my way. I can't read my question. Let's erase that a little bit. Okay. All right. Very good. All right. Oh, nothing to solve, just things to think about. Okay. Decide if each statement is always true, sometimes true, or never true. Okay. Circle one answer. The sum of the measures of two supplementary angles is 90 degrees. All right. Go to your notes. Supplementary angles equal what? 180. So this is never true. That's wrong. Never true. All right, how about this one? Two adjacent angles are supplementary. Remember we talked about adjacent? What does adjacent mean? It's a next door neighbor. So can two next door neighbors be supplementary? Yeah, okay. Now I have to decide, is that always the case or sometimes the case? So two neighbors always equal 180. Two neighbors sometimes equal 180. I know it's this, not that one. All right, it is sometimes true because the two neighbors could also equal 90. Okay, if the measure of an acute angle is represented by x, okay, kind of like up here, right? This is acute. Oh, I can't see it. Right here. This is acute. That's 90. Or that's less than 90. Okay, if the measure of an acute angle is represented by x, then the measure of its complement would be 90 minus x. All right, complementary angles equal how much? So if I have, here, I'll draw my right angle. So if I have a right angle and my little acute angle is x, is this going to be 90 minus x? Sure. So if this is 10, this is 80. If this is 20, this is 70. Sure. So that's going to be always true. Oh, look, diagonal. Bingo. Okay, look at your answers in part A up here. Did you choose sometimes true? We chose sometimes true for this one. Draw a figure to show an example when the statement is true and one to show when the statement's not true. Okay, two adjacent angles are supplementary. Okay, draw a picture when that's always true. I'm going to bust out my ruler. Adjacent angles are supplementary. There's 180. Here you go. 1, 2. This is when they equal 180. So these are adjacent. Am I spelling that right? A-D-J-A-C-E-N-T. Adjacent are supplementary. Okay, now show when this is not true. So that's when the adjacents are complementary. So you're going to pretend I'm drawing a right angle. Pretend that's perfect. And I'm going to cut it in half. And so I'm going to have this angle plus this angle. So this is when adjacent are, oh, it's coming off, are complementary. Okay. All right, my friends, that was a lot of work. Okay, so you're going to have a quiz tomorrow. So tonight for homework, I want you to do practice problem solving 180 and 181. Hopefully that should be the multiple choice questions, right? And then you can check your answers before you take your quiz tomorrow, or your quiz on Friday. Okay? All right, I'm exhausted. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.